The Pythagorean theorem is used to find the missing length of a right triangle when two sides are known. The two shorter sides that form the right angle are called the legs. The longest side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. The theorem states that the length of the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the two legs squared. We use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find the missing length. If you know the length of the hypotenuse in one leg, first find the difference of the hypotenuse squared and the leg squared, and then find the square root of the difference. To find the diagonal distance from school to home, find the sum of the north distance 6 squared and the east distance 8 squared, and then find the square root of the sum 100. This will give you a distance of 10 blocks from school to home. Joseph leans a ladder that is 15 feet long against a building. The ladder is 12 feet away from the building. How far up does the ladder touch the side of the building? Since the length of the ladder is the hypotenuse, find the difference of 15 squared and 12 squared. Then find the square root of 81, which is 9 feet, the height the ladder touches the building. What is the total distance of on road to school and back? First we have to find the sum of 4 squared and 3 squared to get 25. Then we find the square root of 25 and get 5. To find the total distance, we have to find the sum of all three distances to get 12 miles total. Miss Silva is building a wire fence around her garden, which is in the shape below. She plans to use 2 rows of wire. How many feet of wire will she need to complete the fence? Since her garden is in the shape of a right triangle and 10 yards is the hypotenuse, we need to find the difference of 10 squared and 6 squared. And we get 64. Then we need to find the square root of 64, which is 8, the missing side of her garden. To find the length of the wire around her garden, we need to find the sum of all three sides, which is 24 yards. She wants 2 rows of wire, so we multiply by 2 to get 48 yards. Then we have to change yards to feet, so multiply by 3 to get 144 total feet of wire. To find the missing length of a right triangle, you can also use what's known as a Pythagorean triple. A Pythagorean triple is a set of positive integers, a, b, and c, that fit the rule a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Some of the most commonly used triples are a 3, 4, 5 triangle, a 5, 12, 13 triangle, a 9, 40, 41 triangle, 7, 24, and 25 triangle, an 8, 15, and 17 triangle. The amount of Pythagorean triples are endless. By multiplying the sides of each commonly used triple by the same scale factor to create similar triangles. For example, we can take a 3, 4, 5 triangle and multiply each side by a scale factor of 2 to get a 6, 8, 10 triangle. We can also multiply by a scale factor of 3 to get a 9, 12, 15 triangle, or a scale factor of 4 to get a 12, 16, 20 triangle. This method will work using any triple and any scale factor to get any other set of triples.